Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cake topper. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need sturdy cardstock in your chosen colors, a reliable cutting machine or a sharp craft knife, and strong adhesive. Don't forget wooden skewers or food-safe sticks for mounting your beautiful creation. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience from start to finish. Next, let's dive into designing your cake topper. Choose a theme that perfectly matches your celebration. Utilize design software to craft or personalize your text and graphics. Remember to size your design appropriately, usually between 6 and 8 inches wide, to ensure it looks fantastic on your cake. Finally, prepare your file for cutting, making sure all elements with access gained. Reach inside and grasp the fog light bulb housing. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn to release it from the assembly. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pinching its small locking tab and pulling it off. Take your new bulb and attach the electrical connector, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Finally, insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. For those perfect finishing touches, consider adding glitter, rhinestones, or other embellishments to make your topper truly sparkle. Double-check that your sticks are securely attached and perfectly centered for optimal stability on your cake. Always allow ample drying time for all adhesives. When not in use, store your finished topper flat to prevent any bending or damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.